Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Oblivion Remastered. While launching or playing the game, you got a fatal error of GPU crash dump triggered. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I highly recommend to go ahead and update your BIOS from your motherboard manufacturer. After updating the BIOS, head over to your browser and you need to download a tool with the name Intel Extreme Tuning Utility. Scroll down and click on the option download to download this tool into your PC. Once it is downloaded, install it and then launch it. Here you will find the option of performance core ratio. Whatever the value is, you need to reduce the performance core ratio to at least 3 or 4. For example, if it is 53, you need to reduce it to 50, then hit the option apply. After doing these changes, relaunch your game to fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, in next step I highly recommend to disable third-party overlays such as your Riva Tuner, RTSS overlays, your Steam overlays and even the AMD overlays. For the AMD GPUs, right click on the desktop and choose the option AMD Software Add-in Edition. Then click on this gear icon to open the settings, and then under the preferences you will find the option of in-game overlay. Go ahead and disable it. Same way, disable the Discord overlay, RTSS as well as Steam overlays. After disabling the overlays, NVIDIA users, you must open up this official website of NVIDIA and download this NVIDIA app by clicking right over here. Download it and you must update your drivers using this NVIDIA app only. And for AMD users, open an official website and type in the name of your graphic card. Suppose at my end it is Radeon RX 5500 and then click on the option start search. Expand the edition depending upon the Windows you have and must download 25.4.1 optional update specially designed for the Oblivion Remastered. Download it and install it into your PC, restart it and try to relaunch the game. If this also failed, in next step, first of all, you need to launch the game into a PC. After launching the game, click on the option options and first of all, click on this graphic settings. Right over here under the Windows mode, change Windows mode to full screen, and under the frame rate limit, you need to cap the FPS to 60. Then click on the F key to save the changes. Once you have done so, go ahead and relaunch the game to fix out the fatal error in the game. After doing so, head over to this PC, C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common folder, and here you will find your game installed, your installed game. Open the Oblivion Remastered folder, open engine, plugins, marketplace, NVIDIA, DLSS, Streamline, binaries, third party, Win64, and here you will find a file with the name sl.pci.dll. Right click on it and delete this file. After deleting this file, try to relaunch the game. So as of now, that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.